I can't do it. That's okay. That's crazy. What is going on, guys? This is day 3 of our trip. We still have a few more stops to make for like the Desert X. I think it's Desert X. Desert X. Also gonna stop by, there's like a pop-up store which has like a North Face and Gucci. We're gonna have to check that one out. And then I think our last stop is going to be Salton Sea before we hit the road again to go to San Diego. Go into North Face Gucci pop-up collab store.
Yeah, I think everyone kind of did.
No.
All right, this North Face installation, I don't know about it.
It's
Right? Like, I
very
don't, yeah.
disappointed.
What? What are you doing? An ad. Now we're actually going to an actual thrift store to check it out. So the Gucci or North Face Gucci collab is, it says Bit Stop on the app. I don't know why I read pop up. Yeah. What is Bit Stop? Do you guys like sponsor this event? I mean, maybe you sponsor, maybe you're helping out the volunteers. And I respect that if you want. You know what? You get a pass. All right, we're gonna go check out Revivals now. A little thrift store around here.
What are we getting?
Get it last. $15. That's a steal. All right, so we were gonna stop before at this artist, but I think a lot of the installations were just on the road. So we're at the next stop now, which is called, I think, Women's
Qualities, I think.
Yeah.
Women's qualities.
Thank you so much. It's called Women's Qualities. So we made it to Women's Qualities by Gada Amir. Pretty nice. It's really beautiful. I can't believe this beautiful garden is in the middle of the desert. Oh, the next stop is gonna be the passenger. Can I even fit in this frame? Do you see me? What do you think about my hat? All right, let's do this. Alrighty, so we're at the next stop. Amar, what are you doing?
Getting perfect.
Are we taking our shoes off?
Like I'm on the roof.
Alright, we're in Palm Desert right now, and I think we're going to our Jackrabbit Homestead stop. So what is this for?
It's a tiny house.
At this point, the government survey monument is diving into such more which to see.
At this point, we're just wandering around, you know, exploring Palm Desert. Alright, no, okay. We're going to Whole Foods right now to grab a sandwich or something to eat before we hit the road again. So we just got sushi at Whole Foods in Palm Desert. I mean, the idea of getting sushi in the middle of the desert is like, oh wait, what? But you know what? it's really good. So we just had lunch. The sushi was good, but it wasn't too bad. It's Whole Foods, so you know, it was good, right? I trust their product. And we're gonna hit the road again to go to Bombay Beach, which is supposed to be some beach around Salton Sea. So yeah, sea and Salton Sea. I don't know if you can tell, but we made it to Salton Sea. I feel like it's a full day. We got to see like so much, and it's really good to be like on the road and be around people. I feel like things are opening it up after like all the lockdown that has been happening last year. I almost feel like I don't want to go home. Like it's almost like I just want to be outside in nature and like go into as many stops as we can like get into one day. Really grateful for Amaya for driving all day. Amaya, thank you so much.
Thank you. My pleasure.
Yeah, it's pretty wild out here. That was pretty neat, no? Those kids are loving life. They're living their best life. Hey, that's our friends. Look at him. We meet up again. What is happening? How's your drive?
It was good. Welcome to Bombay Beach.
Yeah. Salton Sea. The history of this place is a little bit complex. Things happen where I think the water got too salty and the fish died, and just heard that they're trying to fix it. It's not to smell anymore now.
Oof. Thanks a little right here in the sand, so
To stay away.
just be careful.
Alright guys, I think this is a wrap for us. I really appreciate it. It's been a really fun day just being out with friends. If I can leave you with anything, it's just like do something nice today. Call your parents, like feed the homeless. You know, don't forget to subscribe and love life. I'll see you guys later. Bye. Peace.